today, Kevin and I, Kevin?
Hi.
I'll link to his channel in the description, but we have another challenge video today. Basically the rules are you get $10 to buy ingredients and you're gonna cook a meal. It's gonna present it to a panel of 3 judges and they're gonna rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Highest average score wins. So pretty simple. We're gonna head to the store right now to spend our 10 bucks. Let's go.
Put your shoes on.
$10 limit, let's go. Oh, perfect. 99 cents.
Look at us going like this is only $1 also.
Decisions. Alright, I've spent a total of $6.45.
I should get some flour.
What kind of flowers? You want daisies or dandelions are not flowers?
Flowers.
Dandelion is a weed. Wow, soccer ball flavored Cheez-Its. Do you want to buy some brown?
I'm already brown enough. Got flour, got cheese.
Got milk?
Got milk.
He does have milk. Are you drinking whole milk because you think you're skinny? Because you're not.
We are checking out right now. He's got technical difficulties.
All right, Kevin, let's see what you got.
828
is the grand total. So in terms of the budget, we both made it.
Your camera's... Oh. Shit. Gave me a mini heart attack.
See, now you gotta blip out the music. You don't want to get DMCA from Custer.
This is Megan. Alden.
Sorry, I didn't work out.
And Courtney.
Or no, I did work.
Can I just make the whole bag? Yeah. I got Chase on camera right now. Where are the directions?
Butter my stick, Kevin.
See, I did not eat this whole freaking box of butter.
Jeez. Hi, welcome to Chili's. Wait, are we allowed to ask what you guys are working on today?
Food.
Vape tricks.
Get out of my face.
We'll see.
This is a champagne of beers.
Hi, welcome.
I'm still gonna send it. Ooh, that clears out my gastrointestinal tract. Guys, I'm sorry if you're watching this and you're under the age of 18. Kevin keeps using words like poop.
All right, we are getting just about finished with our meals. About ready to serve. Does it taste like an L?
It's more like a win.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, eat. Now we await Judgment Day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. By the way, I will link to all of these judges' Instagrams in the description.
I thought it was like pretty good, and I like inhaled it, but it was missing something with soy sauce. The chicken was really good though, but you've always made pretty good chicken, from my experiences. And then the mac and cheese, I thought that was pretty good. I have to say that was my favorite. So.
Oh, thanks.
So what's the score? Wait, how are we scoring?
We're gonna go
1 to 5.
Okay. Oh, for each. Okay, so for Brad's, I'd probably give a 3, and Kevin, I'd give a 4.
Thanks.
Okay.
I gotta be polite.
I'm gonna be very, like,
You can be blunt with me if you want.
I'll be blunt, but constructive criticism.
I've been criticized a lot in my life, so it's okay.
Alright, so then you can take my criticism. Okay, we'll start with Brad then. Definitely, like I already said, it needs more soy sauce. And I think onions would make it a lot better.
All of you are saying the comments that we want to say.
Oops. Or garlic. Garlic would have made it.
Well, garlic is like the greatest thing ever.
Garlic also would have made it better. Chicken, continue. I love the consistency. It tasted homemade, and it was homemade.
Yeah.
I mean, I get without it.
It didn't taste like cheese though. That's what bothers me. Okay.
Amen.
I'm ready both. Brad, I'll give a 4.
Oh. Oh. Kind of high.
Kevin, 3.75.
All right.
What?
Decimal.
All right.
Yes.
That's a twist.
So I guess we're going 3 sig figs.
Brad's
Yeah, that's
was,
a
you know,
Thanks.
lacking in like the vegetarian department because, you know, I didn't have the chicken, so it was kind of really, really, really bland, you know, like you just took out that steamed vegetables and dried the, like, warmed them up and threw it in there. Probably
exactly what I did.
Exactly.
Sure
So,
honest.
you gotta season that stuff. You gotta season everything. Kevin's with the mac and cheese, it was good. You know, add more cheesy flavor though.
Oh yeah.
Yep. So for Kevin, we're gonna give 4, and then Brad's getting 2.
Whoa.
Suck it, Brett.
Damn.
I didn't know you were. Are you vegetarian?
Invited a meat eater.
Wait, are you vegetarian?
For me, I'm gonna give Brad, you're gonna get, because everything else is already said, 3.5. The chicken was good. Add a little bit more seasoning and soy sauce.
To the rice.
Kevin, I did like the consistency. A little bit more cheese, so I'm gonna give it 3.
Brad, I thought it was creative on how you did a stir fry.
Had okra in it.
$10. I was not expecting that.
That's true.
So already snaps to that.
So it was nice to have a variety of things in one bowl.
Oh, gift basket.
Gift basket to my stomach. Again, seasoning, or not just like soy sauce, you could have done like a cheap spicy mayo or cheap sriracha or something like that because it was a little dry at times.
I think it was more hibachi rice.
Kev, I like the consistency. I got a little cheese, but not crazy cheese. Very KFC, like home style cooking, southern mac and cheese, which is nice. But I would like to see something else in the bowl. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So like have the type of protein in there. Have like some chopped up veggies or something.
All right.
So, but I did like yours more. So I'm gonna give you I'm gonna go with 3.69. And then Brad, I'm gonna give you I think a 3. It's a 3.0. So a decent GPA.
Game of 30. Just kidding.
30 out of 5.
Kev's, yours tastes more homemade.
Thanks.
All right, so the final score, I averaged a 3.1. Kevin is the winner with the 3.6.
Good job, Kevin.
And Brad too. Brad, you scored pretty good. I thought you were gonna fake me out again.
Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe,
Absolutely.
of course.
Uh-huh.
And subscribe to Kevin's channel, and I will link to all of the judges' Instagrams down below. Go
I'll
give
do
them
it.
a follow.
I'll do the same thing too with Brad's channel, and everybody's Instagrams are their preferred social media. So Instagram's where it's at.
Say preferred.
Preferred social media. Like my preferred
We're
pronoun.
in 2018, Chester. Do you prefer Chester or Chase?
Chester. 100%.
Alright, Chester Fest.
What are your pronouns?
He.
He, hims.
All right.
Apache helicopter.
So, again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.